Good afternoon. It's Mrs. Grimes here to give you the announcements for the week. Not a whole lot different this week. We do have a full week, Monday through Friday. Reminder to check out those pacing charts if you are wanting to stay on track and ready to be done in May. Make sure you go under pacing charts and make sure you are where you're supposed to be. Mrs. Burdick and I continue to make phone calls and we'll be calling and helping if we get behind or are behind and see if we can help in any way. All right, so a couple announcements, not very many. The next TGA is due by the end of the day on February 5th. So that's coming up next week. So anytime now between now and the end of the day on February 5th, one sample of math, one sample of ELA needs to be emailed to your teacher. Book It logs, I'm going to attach to the email the new one, and if you filled out one for January, you can send that log to your teacher by the end of this week, Monday by the latest, and we will send you a coupon for the free mini pizza from Pizza Hut. The book order, I'm excited to put in January 31st, so the end of this week. I will get that in. I think it's for Thursday. So Thursday I'll put that in towards the end of the day on Thursday. If you'd like to order any books, you can do that. Make sure you put that class code. And really anyone in your family can, or anyone can order. Just make sure you put that class code. And if there's a different address to mail it to, because reminder, it'll come to me and then I'll mail it to you. So if you have a different address that you want those books besides to the student, just let me know. Like usual, our live sessions are down here. Let's see, Book It, TGAs, we talked about that. I thought there was one other thing, but I'll go ahead and do our drawing. Let's see, AJ and, who was it? Amber, your books are going in the mail today, and I will draw a couple more for this last week. If you attended a live session, your live sessions, I put your name, kindergartners in one jar, first graders in another, and I'm going to pull out one kindergartner first. And we have Miss Jocelyn. I'm going to send you a book. Let's see, I have a couple I Can Read books. I'll send one to you. And then let me get my first grade jar. Woo! Oh, goodness gracious. They just flew everywhere. Let me put them back in there. Stir it up. And first grader I'll send a book to is Miss Sinead. So I will send that out as soon as possible. All right, if you have any questions, just let me know. But reminder, we have pacing charts in our class website. We also have those the links for the TGAs, all of that's due. So let us know if you need help with any of that. Just reach out to us. Our secret word for today is, let's see, I'm looking at this, chicken. One of the books is Chicken in Mittens. So the secret word is chicken. I don't know why. Have a wonderful week and reach out if you have any questions. Bye, guys.